Hi, I'm Dan McDicken, a licensed insolvency trustee with Faber Inc. When I meet with clients for the first time, they share with me a number of myths they've heard about personal bankruptcy. The most common myths include, I will lose everything if I declare bankruptcy. I'll never get credit again. Bankruptcy lasts 7 years. Everyone will know I filed for bankruptcy. Filing for bankruptcy will affect my spouse's credit rating. I have income tax debt that doesn't go away with the bankruptcy. I hear these myths and misconceptions frequently, and they are simply not true. Most of the myths come from our neighbors south of the border in the USA, where they have different laws governing insolvency. Let's review the myths in a little more detail. Myth number 1, I will lose everything if I declare bankruptcy. In most instances, people will keep all of their assets in a bankruptcy. There are exempt and non-exempt assets that do apply in a personal bankruptcy. Exempt assets are assets you get to keep, subject to the rights of secured creditors. Non-exempt assets are assets that must be surrendered to the trustee for the general benefit of your creditors. However, your personal bankruptcy can be structured in such a manner that permits you to repurchase your non-exempt assets from the trustee. For more information on exempt and non-exempt assets, click the link to our website in the description below. Myth number 2, I'll never get credit again. The majority of our clients begin to reestablish their credit immediately following their discharge from bankruptcy, and within a period of 2 years have fully reestablished their credit rating. Myth number 3, bankruptcy lasts 7 years. The length of a bankruptcy ranges from a minimum of 9 months to a maximum of 36 months for a second bankruptcy where the bankrupt has surplus income. Myth number 4, everyone will know I filed for bankruptcy. The truth is that unless you are a celebrity or a major corporation, the likelihood that anyone will find out you filed for bankruptcy is extremely rare. The trustee notifies the Office of the Superintendent of Bankruptcy, the Canada Revenue Agency, and your creditors when you file a personal bankruptcy. Newspaper publications for bankruptcy apply to large personal bankruptcies as well as corporate bankruptcies. Myth number 5, a bankruptcy will affect my spouse or partner. From a legal perspective, you and your partner are 2 separate individuals with your own legal rights. If your partner is not a joint borrower or your partner did not co-sign one of your debts, your partner is unaffected by your personal bankruptcy. Myth number 6, I have tax debt and you can't go bankrupt on government debt. Debt from the Canada Revenue Agency for income tax or GST is included in a personal bankruptcy. The Canada Revenue Agency is like any other creditor and will have to comply with the Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act. If you have any questions about your debt or would like to meet with me or another trustee here at Faber, call our offices at 1-877-944-1177 or visit our website at faber.ca. You will always be speaking with a licensed insolvency trustee who has the experience and knowledge to help you make an informed decision. To learn more about other forward-thinking debt solutions, click here.